Also tonight, a deeper look inside the investigation into the abduction and killing of a Virginia Beach woman. It's part of the prosecution's case against Gary Morton. He's facing charges in connection with the death of Marie Covington. Today, the court got to see a police interrogation of Morton and what he told them about the chain of events. 10 on your side's Amy Avery has the latest.
Gary Morton just testified on his own behalf. He says the shooting was accidental. He says he didn't mean to shoot Marie Covington and that he never changed his story despite being interviewed multiple times by police. He even started crying on the stand. Gary Morton took the stand and says he and Marie Covington got into a verbal argument before they left Covington's home on August 17th of last year. He says they were fighting about Marie not disciplining her daughters. He says he never forced Marie into the car or laid a hand on her. He says about 20 minutes after they left Covington's Virginia Beach home, they got into a shootout with another vehicle in Norfolk near Birch and Larkin Streets. Yesterday, the man who Morton says he got into a shootout with testified that he never shot at Morton, and he's a felon, so he can't even have a gun. Morton says when he got back into the car, his finger was still on the trigger and it went off, hitting Covington in the head. The medical examiner testified that the bullet went into Marie Covington's head between her left eyebrow and her left ear. She said death would follow a wound like this in minutes. In a video interview with detectives, Morton says after the shooting he drove around Norfolk for a while before putting Covington's body in a trash can on Galt Street. He told police he put her body there, so he had time to get away. Norfolk police testified that Morton sent a series of text messages and made calls to Covington's phone starting at 11:56 p.m. on the 17th and going until 12:11 on the 18th. Some of the messages said in part, quote, "Don't call me or text me again, we are through. Thanks for the ride, but I could have gotten here without you. Not answering your phone? Really?" When asked about the text messages and calls, Morton said he was trying to make it seem like he had nothing to do with it. He then told detectives he went to Pittsburgh to try to get away and said he felt so guilty that he needed to come back. All that's left for tomorrow is closing arguments, then the judge will make his final ruling in this case. This is a bench trial, not a jury trial, so the judge has the final say. In Norfolk, Amy Avery, 10 on your side.